Welcome to Soldering 101. We're going to take some wires and a speaker, and we're going to attach the wires to the speaker so that they are joined together and we can use them in our electronic circuits, like this. Noisy, eh? This is what we'll need for the job. We'll need a work surface that won't burn. We'll need a damp sponge to wipe the tip of the soldering pencil. We'll of course need a soldering pencil. This is a soldering pencil. It's low power. It's not a soldering gun that you might have around the house. This won't destroy your parts. We'll need wire strippers. We'll need some number 22 solid insulated wire and some solder. It's pronounced solder even though it's spelled with an L. And a speaker. I'm going to take a piece of solder and I'm going to take my soldering pencil. This is a soldering pencil. And I'm going to tin the tip, which means I melt solder on the tip of the pencil. Now that it's silvery and shiny, it means it will conduct heat better. Let's put the wires on the speaker. First of all, I'm going to put my safety glasses on. Then I'm going to strip 3/8 of an inch off the end of this wire. You can cut wires by cutting down near the joint of the blade. It also has a notch for cutting the plastic insulation, but not cutting the wire. Notice that the speaker has tabs with holes in it. We're going to fit the wire into the tab and bend it back tight on the speaker. I'm going to take the soldering pencil and I'm going to hold it like a pencil with my hand only on the plastic part. Remember, the rest of it gets very hot. Take a solder in one hand, the pencil in the other. I'm going to heat both pieces of metal, the wire and the tab. I want the wire and the tab to be hot enough to melt the solder. Put the solder in. It flows around the joint. Remove the solder. Remove the pencil. Let it cool. Strip 3/8 of an inch off the wire. Fit it through the tab. Pick up the pencil. Heat both parts with the soldering pencil. Touch the solder to the tab, not the pencil. Remove the solder. Remove the pencil. Remember to wear safety glasses. Remember to keep your hands away from the hot part of the iron. And that's Soldering 101.